Now I will tell you something else, something you apparently don't know. You couldn't have foreseen it or calculated it due to your lack of information and professional competence. Even without the threat of the Siberian plume, we are facing yet another danger of equal magnitude. This is a threat we created ourselves, one from which there is no escape. I am talking about micro and nanoplastics, which have already infiltrated every corner of our planet. They are in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Nanoplastics are not merely pollutants. They are an anthropogenic factor that is already affecting our health and our future. Research shows that their accumulation in the human body is directly linked to the rising number of children born with autism. If we do nothing about this, in just a few generations, every second child in the world could be born with an autism spectrum disorder. This is not a forecast. It is the reality we must confront. Moreover, micro and nanoplastics disrupt the water balance, further heating the already dying ocean. As a result, the ocean, instead of producing oxygen, begins to emit CO2. These emissions have already destabilized the water balance in the atmosphere, and this process will only intensify. The disruption of water exchange will inevitably lead to a breakdown in gas exchange, causing a gradual depletion of oxygen. This will trigger irreversible processes of human degradation. Scientific evidence confirms a direct link between CO2 concentration and developmental disorders. Oxygen deficiency and increased acidity in the body provoke neurodegenerative processes. The mechanism is quite simple. Rising CO2 levels directly affect cognitive abilities, effectively programming the degradation of humans as a biological species. Projections suggest that within a few short generations, up to 90% of the entire population could suffer from severe neurological disorders. This problem will have to be addressed. There is no escaping it. It concerns every person on this planet. It concerns our children and our grandchildren. A complete ban on plastic is currently unrealistic due to its widespread use in various aspects of our lives. The primary challenge is not to prohibit plastic entirely, but to create an economically viable model for its disposal. Without this, the only macroeconomic benefit left will be the gradual degradation and extinction of humanity.